911, what's your emergency?
There's a crazy guy at my high school. He's trying to beat me up. If you have a problem with a bully, I need you to speak to a teacher.
No, I am a teacher.
Excuse me?
It's actually another teacher
Who wants to have a fist fight
with me after school, so I need help. Oh, very funny.
You're a grown man. Now go on and take that ass whooping.
Why? Are you trying to pick a fight with me, man?
These students are shit on this school all day. You think this is funny? I'm gonna show you what's funny. You ratted on me.
He did it.
Now you got to pay the price. Snitches get stitches.
Snitches and stitches? What are you talking about?
Mr. Strickland, reputation of a hothead. Scary, yet effective.
Kill shot! Am I the only one here who sees what's going on? Hello?
Hello?
Not hello, you! Hello, he's holding an axe!
Mr. Campbell, English teacher. Probably a nice guy, but a bit of a worm and a sneak.
You guys said Strickland was gonna fight Campbell?
Yeah, he's gonna whip him bad.
Without a doubt.
Two teachers are in a school fight to end all school fights.
You're about the teacher fight?
Hashtag teacher fight.
The whole school's into it. We're gonna tailgate.
Actions have consequences.
This school is crazy.
This shit is violent. I look like a million.
Filled with lunatic teachers. Holly, you're the guidance counselor. You're not doing meth again, right?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Don't do meth.
Because it's a gateway.
It's the finish line.
You're the nice guy, and then people are like, hey, I'm gonna stomp on that guy.
I'm done with this shit. No more Mr. Nice Guy. No more playing by the rules.
Campbell!
Daddy's gotta get in a fist fight.
Campbell, you got this! I don't think he's got this. Why don't you just take a punch and then just go down? Play dead like possums do, or anything that's like a pussy animal.